Are you constantly bombarded with conflicting health advice? Do you feel like you're spinning your wheels, trying every new trend, but never actually achieving lasting results? You're not alone. We live in a world obsessed with quick fixes and miracle cures. But the truth is, there's no magic bullet when it comes to your health. You deserve more than fleeting trends and empty promises. But what actually works? And how can you possibly sort through all the noise? You deserve a real understanding of the incredible machine that is your own body and how it functions. How your body works, the blueprint for a healthier you, is a series that breaks away from the old rulebook and empowers you with the knowledge to truly understand your well-being. We're not just talking about surface-level tips and tricks. We're diving deep into the science of you. We're on a journey to discover the marvelous components of your body. What is the blueprint and where does it come from? The blueprint is that feeling of being able to make positive changes in your life. We are passionate about helping you unlock the secrets hidden within your cells, organs, and systems. Together, we'll explore the fascinating world of anatomy and physiology in a way that's easy to understand, engaging, and immediately applicable to your life. Think of this series as your personal operating manual to help you thrive and to make you feel more informed. Let's take a sneak peek at the transformative knowledge you'll gain. Did you know your gut is often called your second brain? It's not just a digestive system. It's a bustling ecosystem teeming with trillions of bacteria that directly influence your mood, your energy levels, and even your cognitive function. We call this the gut-brain connection. And healing your gut can heal you as a person. You are your body and mind after all. We'll show you simple, science-backed steps you can take today to heal your gut, reduce inflammation, and unlock a happier, healthier you. And what about sleep? Are you getting enough of it? More importantly, are you getting quality sleep? So many people disregard sleep and take it for granted. We'll reveal the science behind sleep cycles, explain how sleep deprivation wreaks havoc on your body and mind, and provide you with practical strategies to optimize your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. This is more than a trend. It's your well-being. This series is a complete journey. You'll be able to see, do, and perform. We will cover what will help you to boost your energy levels naturally, strengthen your immune system against illness, manage stress and anxiety with proven techniques, optimize your digestion for better nutrient absorption, unlock peak athletic performance, and so much more. We're going to take an in-depth and holistic approach to everything in your body that will be fun, not boring. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I'm not a scientist. Can I really understand all of this? Absolutely. The goal of this series is to break down complex science into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Think of it as your friendly guide through the fascinating world of your own body. Imagine waking up each day feeling truly connected to your body, understanding its needs, and knowing exactly how to nourish it from the inside out. Picture yourself thriving, not just surviving, living a life filled with energy, vitality, and purpose. Picture yourself achieving a healthier you with all the right pieces. This is more than just a health series. It's a roadmap to a richer, more fulfilling existence, empowered by the intimate understanding of the components and function of your own physical form. Ready to unlock your personal blueprint and embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery? Subscribe now to the channel to gain phenomenal insight from how your body works, the blueprint for a healthier you, and join our community of health-conscious individuals. Follow us on this channel for exclusive content, tips, and behind-the-scenes insights as we release the other videos of the series. Please share and feel free to comment below. Start building your own blueprint for a healthier, happier, more empowered you today.